Now, restrictions continue to ease across the state with dental procedures, campgrounds, drive-in movie theaters, tanning facilities, and medical spas in 77 counties being allowed to open, of course, with restrictions.
Well, you know, Norwalk, one of the cities that can maybe see some reopening, some business back. Phase one, keep in mind here. So joining us to talk more about that and the response resources for business owners and neighbors in Norwalk, Mayor Tom Phillips joining us today as we've been talking with mayors all week. And thanks for joining us. What do you expect today as new things are starting to reopen? What has opened in Norwalk?
We've had some restaurants that have been opened, and I think we have some people that are expecting good things out of the dental offices being able to open back up, which is great. Overall, I think Norwalk has seen quite a few people from Polk County coming down to some of our restaurants because they've been closed in Polk County, but that's okay. I think everybody's been keeping their physical distance as CDC guidelines has indicated, and things are going well.
And what's the response kind of been from the community and those business leaders and the specific things they're doing to prepare to make sure that they're ready to reopen?
Yeah, you know, it's very mixed, I think. It goes from the, yeah, let's get open, and to the other side that says, no, we're not ready to open yet. So I think people are getting ready. They're kind of, you know, there's some of them that are kind of rolling into it slowly. There's others that are really kind of getting in there quickly.
Let's talk resources as we've been reaching out to all the metro mayors here. What are people asking for and needing the most right now, both from the residential, your neighbors, and also the business community?
Residential-wise, I think we're seeing a lot of requests for just activities for families to do and keep kids busy at home. Trying to do that. If you go to, we stood up a website. It's called norwalklocal.org. Lots of resources for our residents out there on that, from activities for kids, where to get food, where to get medicine, healthcare resources, those types of things. So we really have that's a good resource for our residents.
And if you have a big message for your community and others who seem to be taking advantage of some open businesses from other counties around the state, what is your big message this morning, Mayor?
Be respectful, and both ways. There's people who need to be respectful that are getting out and starting to open up, and you need to be respectful of those folks that want to get out and do that. On the other hand, you need to be respectful of those who are still wanting to physically distance and wear masks and that kind of stuff. Just be respectful to each other.
Yeah, and some people we know with underlying health issues are going to be a little more careful as we move forward. So, Mr. Mayor, thank you so much for joining us, checking in, letting us know what's going on as you are phase one reopening and more things coming online, and we wish you all the best.
Yeah, thank you for having me this morning. It's been great.
All right, thank you very much.